Unlocking the World of Photography, a beginner's guide to workshops. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of learning photography, the photography workshop. Whether you're holding a camera for the first time or looking to enhance your skills, understanding what a photography workshop entails can be a game changer for your learning journey. Let's unravel the mysteries together. A photography workshop is a structured learning experience designed to teach photography skills and techniques in a practical, hands-on environment. Unlike traditional classroom settings, workshops provide an immersive learning experience, often led by professional photographers. Participants engage in real-world photography sessions, learn from live demonstrations, and receive personalized feedback on their work. Photography workshops come in various formats, each focusing on different skills, techniques, or themes. Here are a few common types. Beginner workshops, ideal for those just starting out. They cover basics like camera settings, composition, and lighting. Genre-specific workshops focus on specific types of photography, such as portrait, landscape, wildlife, or street photography. Technical workshops dive deep into advanced techniques like long exposure, HDR photography, or post-processing with software like Photoshop. Destination workshops combine travel with learning, allowing participants to practice photography in stunning locations around the world. Attending a workshop can dramatically improve your photography skills. Here are some key benefits. Hands-on learning. Apply what you learn immediately, under the guidance of experts. Personalized feedback. Get direct feedback on your work to understand your strengths and areas for improvement. Networking. Meet and connect with fellow photography enthusiasts and professionals. Inspiration. Being in a creative environment with like-minded individuals can spark new ideas and motivate you to push your boundaries. Selecting the right workshop is crucial. Consider your skill level, interests, and what you hope to achieve. Research the instructor's backgrounds and read reviews from previous participants. Also, think about the location and duration of the workshop to ensure it fits your schedule and budget. We hope this video sheds light on what a photography workshop is and how it can be a valuable part of your photography journey. Whether you're looking to grasp the basics or specialize in a certain type of photography, there's a workshop out there for you. Don't hesitate to take that step and immerse yourself in the world of photography. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.